How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already signed into Booking.com account. After you sign in, you're gonna land to this kind of page. You can sign in through the app or website as well. After you sign in, at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. You will see different sections over here. Under Help and Support, you can find the option of Customer Service Help. Open that option. Now at the very top, you can see that Welcome to Help Center. We are available 24 hours a day. Get help with a booking. Tap on that option. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. From here, you have to select a category for which you are having the issue. Here, I'm gonna select stays. After you select it, scroll all the way down. You will see the option of Message Customer Service. Click on this option. Now here you can describe about your issue. After you explain about your problem, you can send it. Likewise, you are also able to make a direct phone call. For that, head back. Scroll down. At the very bottom, you can find the option of More Contact Options. Tap on that. Now open this option, Call Customer Service. This is the phone number. Now you can directly contact to the team. So this is how you can contact Booking.com customer care. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.